Hello to myself and everybody else. This is video 142. So far, we're still looking at the stuff from the free code camp video. And so far with this, we're talking about pure virtual functions and abstract class in C++. And so far, I'm going to be straightforward with you on this. Again, the information on this and the other one, I'm still my knowledge isn't 100% good with this. Just still kind of documenting this down for notes for me in the future, so I can just remember that this was a thing I even looked at one point. So basically with this, just on Geeks for Geeks, just looking at this example, basically with pure virtual function, everything, stuff like that too. Basically it says this is to set this up and everything, we need to make sure there's a pure virtual function inside the base class, and that basically says like what is used for, which says abstract classes are used to define interfaces and ensure common structure among derived classes. And base is useful in polymorphism, where different classes share the same interface but have different behaviors. Again, a lot of this kind of stuff over my head and everything a bit as well. Just the main thing is I just kind of see how to set this up. In which basically, again, to really set this up, you need a pure virtual function, which right here it looks like this. In the main class, which is shaping everything and stuff here, base say virtual, and then the name of the function equals 0. And then that makes a pure virtual function. Everything too has like no arguments, like no parameters, no nothing. Just setting this up that at least having one of these makes this class instantly a pure virtual. Instantly makes this abstract and everything as well. And then for the other one too, you just have it inherit, and then set up an override and everything for the function that was in the base class. And from there, that's mostly all I see. I think it basically allows you to use a function in an inherited class without really having to worry about setting specific stuff up like the other one. Again, really kind of over my head and stuff too. Basically, again, just reading the explanation here. It says this example shows an abstract class shape with a pure virtual function, draw, circle overrides draw, and using a shape pointer to a circle demonstrates polymorphism, outputting draw circle. Again, still a bit over my head and stuff with this too and all. Mostly just having this so I can just keep this for future notes. Really, that's it. So again, this is all I can really just show off of it. But yeah, so far that's all I got. So to myself and everybody else, see you in the next one.